Welcome to While We Were Distracted, the podcast where we explore topics that often get overshadowed in the rush of daily life.
This is the brief on South Korea's tooth regenerating patch. Researchers at Seoul National University and the Korea Institute of Science and Technology developed a postage stamp-sized, biodegradable microneedle patch, basically a high-tech Band-Aid that tricks your body into hitting the reset button on your smile to regrow lost teeth from scratch. First, thinking about that Band-Aid analogy, how does it actually interface with the body? Well, you just apply the painless patch to your gum for 20 minutes a day. Tiny microneedles release an Alzheimer's drug called Tideglusib, blocking the GSK3 enzyme. This acts like an alarm clock, waking up the exact factory of dormant stem cells that built your baby teeth to grow a living tooth with enamel, dentin, and nerves. Second, this biological process is going to totally disrupt traditional dentistry. Unlike artificial implants, it requires no surgery, preserves jawbone health, and is super affordable. Roughly $300 compared to a $5,000 implant. Why undergo surgery to screw fake metal into your bone when your body can organically grow a real replacement for a fraction of the price? Finally, despite those benefits, what's the realistic timeline and the catch? Animal trials on mice and ferrets were highly successful, and human trials start between late 2025 and early 2026, aiming for a late 2026 release in South Korea. But let's temper expectations, because this isn't instant gratification. It requires consistent daily application, months of patience for the tooth bud to push through the gum, and effectiveness might be lower for older patients who naturally have fewer stem cells. It's just wild that this simple daily patch could make expensive, painful dental surgeries a thing of the past.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next episode on While We Were Distracted.